Hello again, it's Mr. Allen, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to log into J2E and make use of the TT Blast game. So first of all, I'm going to share my screen. And once again, I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can, of course, use Google Chrome if you're using a tablet or a Chromebook, Internet Explorer if you've got an older computer, or for those of you with Apple devices, Apple Safari on an iPad or Apple computer or laptop. So into the address bar, I'm going to type in the letters j2e.com. So J for jelly, 2 the number 2, E for elephant.com. Now, when you get into the j2e.com website, you'll see this information here. Please, no need to type information into these white boxes, because as a school that is linked to the London Grid for Learning, the LGFL network, we can and have a special password arrangement. So just follow the red rectangle on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the next red rectangle you see on the left-hand side of the screen. And now we have the LGFL big rectangle at the top and ready for you to type in your username and password. I've set up our school system so that your username and password for Purple Mash and J2E are both the same. Now I have got a special password and username set up to show you how to log into J2E. So I'm just going to get that now. Now, just to remind you what our password and username, how your username works. This is our format. So you've got the first part of your username is made up of 4 letters. It could be the first 4 letters from your family name or surname, or if you've got a family name or surname that is shorter than 4 letters, then it will just be your surname or family name. You've then got the next character, which is the first letter or initial of your first name. The next part is then 3 or maybe 4 digits, followed by the full stop, then our school number, which is 320. So that's how your username is made up. And your password will be a word that you might know or recognize already, followed by a number. And then you press the green login button. I'll just try that again. Now, if you try too many times and this London Grid for Learning password system doesn't like it, then it will ask you to wait for a few seconds to a few minutes to try again. This time I'm able to log in correctly, and this is the j2e.com website. You can see lots and lots of tiles here. We'll be talking about more of these tiles in a future computing lesson online. But for now, have a look at this tile here called J2 Blast. If you click on that, you've got a choice of 2 games. You've got Spell Blast or TT Blast. Now, TT Blast is aimed at children who are in Key Stage 2, so that's years 3, 4, 5, and 6. I'm going to click on the link there. And it is a times table game. You can either practice by clicking on the link here in the little white box on the left, or if you want to play live to get a really good score so that you can change your character, you click on the Go Live link. I'm going to go live and have a little play on to show you how the game works. So you click on there, and as you can see and hear, we're just waiting for other children to join in the game. And at the time of recording, it's going to be pretty late, so there shouldn't be many people playing. 1 times 4 is 0 divided by 6 is 9 times 1 is 32 divided by 4. I'm not very good at times tables. Oh, thank goodness for that. 6 divided by 3 is 7 times 11 is 54 divided by 6, I think, is 6 divided by 1 is 12 times 8 is, see, I told you I wasn't very good. 8 times 12 is 7 times 3 is, oh, I know that one. 7 divided by 1 is 0 times 12 is 108 divided by 1. I'm really not very good at times tables. Is it? Oh, that's better. 5 times 3 is 50. 12 divided by 3, I think. That's 77. Oh, I got 17 out of 19. Now, what happens is that your teachers will be able to see these scores, and I will be able to see these scores, and these scores will be kept on our school record system, on the J2E system, so that we can then see who has been practicing really, really hard and who has done really, really well, and made, as what Mr. Diamond would say, their best, achieved their personal best and made the biggest improvements. So we can give out certificates for those boys and girls who have worked really, really hard using J2E, J2 Blast times table challenge. I hope that was a useful introduction, and enjoy playing J2 Blast.